In Shillong, the leader of the Meghalaya Youth Congress, Banphira Basaiawmoit, has strongly denounced the NPP-led state government, accusing it of showing favoritism towards a select group connected to the administration while neglecting the majority, especially the youth. During a press conference held on the 5th of April 2024, Basaiawmoit criticized the government's indifference, stating that it has adverse effects on the state, particularly its youth population, who, due to limited opportunities, are often compelled to engage in unlawful activities. The Youth Congress leader also took aim at Meghalaya's Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, highlighting the embarrassment caused to the state after the Arunachal police seized 1 crore rupees from a vehicle in the CM's convoy during his visit to Arunachal.
People are flexing the muscles in whichever area they are in. So it's an appeal from our part that the authorities should not just brush this under the carpet. They should follow this up, and even from the party also, we are still in the process of writing complaints and filing complaints with the ECI regarding the matter. Whereby you see the ruling party in Meghalaya, right? They've been organizing huge meetings, closed door meetings or maybe public meetings, right? Where you can see the flexing of party workers. The elections right now has turned into a circus where people are flexing their power, their might and their money. So the undercurrents are there. We can feel it, but still, maybe God has been kind to them as of now. Till this moment, they are not being caught red-handed distributing cash or carrying cash anywhere. But yeah, this is very obvious, right? You catch a thief, the thief will never say that he's a thief, right? They will always deny, but denying doesn't mean that that's the truth.
One of the State Youth Congress members, Henry Karmuti, commented that the cash seizure underscores the pervasive corruption, with public funds allegedly being misused for political gain during elections.